Toy Drama Theater! Whoosh! Grimlock! Grimlock, where are you? Here, boy! Grimlock! Hey, Croc! Grimlock's been gone so long since the teleporter. We haven't seen him anywhere. He might be hurt or something. Relax, Misfire. I found him. And I don't think you're gonna like what you see. What? What do you mean? Look over there by the rocks. What? Grimlock? He's back with the Dinobots again. But he belongs with us! He belongs with the ScAvengers! But he's with the Autobots, and I think he's happy where he is. And you should be too. But... Let it go, Misfire. Let it go. Okay. Goodbye, Grimlock. See you in the next universe.